The Delhi Commissioner of Police, along with senior police officials, have visited the Rohini court for a high-level meeting this afternoon, 2 days after a shootout that took place within the premises in which Delhi's most wanted gangster, Jitendra Man, otherwise known as Gogi, was killed. The Director General of Prisons has issued an order sounding a maximum alert for Delhi's prisons.
Just day before yesterday in the national capital here in Delhi's Rohini court, Delhi's most wanted gangster Jitendra Man alias Gogi was shot dead in these court premises in what appeared and in what was reported and confirmed as a gang war between two rival gangs in the national capital, the Tillu gang and the Gogi gang. But soon after that, the DG of the prisons, Mr. Goel, has ordered for maximum security, maximum alert issued for the Delhi prisons, especially this particular court, the Rohini court. Now, as you can see, that the security has been tightened and put to maximum at this Rohini court. And every car entering the court premises is being thoroughly checked and being questioned by the driver, the person who's driving the car, and every area of the car being thoroughly checked by the security people, the police officials over here. But what's key over here is that the order issued by the DG prisons states that all staff should be briefed and aware of every movement that takes place in the court premises thoroughly. The paramedic staff should be aware and should be ready for any kind of an emergency. They should be briefed at all times. Another significant point ordered for Delhi jails and the Delhi prisons is also that an intelligence network should be created in order to be aware of any kind of movement between inmates and what they are up to. And to ensure that no such incident can take place again of any kind of firing or assault or a case of what had happened on Friday where this gangster, the top wanted gangster Gogi, was shot dead by the rival gang, the Tillu gang. But as you see, the visuals on your screen will describe that the security has been tightened at the Rohini court premises just soon after the incident of the gangster being shot dead in these court premises. With camera person Ashok Mahale in Delhi, Shunakshi Chakravarti for NDTV.